If this sounds familiar, sis, this lotion is only for fair people. This lotion is for dark skin. This lotion is for caramel. Sis, run away from such lotion. I tell you, a very good lotion should be suitable for all complexion, including dark skin, fair skin, caramel skin. But yes, I understand there's something called a skin maintenance lotion and a skin enhancement lotion. Even though this lotion is for enhancement or maintenance, it should be suitable for our skin tone. Hello, I'm dark skin or fair or caramel skin. Can you please place me on a body skincare routine that can renew, revive, rejuvenate, and give me that even tone skin that will help to treat dents of patches and hyperpigmentation on my skin? Then this video is for you. Hello to my skincare lovers, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of seeing my face, my name is Elo, and if you love everything self-care, trust me, this is the right channel you should belong to. So don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, because this will automatically get you notified once I drop a new video. So in today's video, I'll be doing recommendation of body skincare routine or body care products that will guarantee you a flawless, smooth, soft, rejuvenated skin. So that is what we'll be discussing in today's video. When it comes to building an effective skincare routine, two things should be in your mind. Am I using this body routine for enhancement or maintenance? When I talk about enhancement, I'm talking about a routine that involves treatment. So this particular people suffer from dark spots, pigmentation, patches, dry skin, and rough skin. They are looking for a way to enhance their complexion because they are not impressed with the way their skin looks. Then we'll come to maintenance. Like me, I love how my skin is. It's right from head to toe. No patches, no knuckle. I love my skin. I'm going to fall into maintenance lotion. When we talk about maintenance lotion, there are people, the group of people that love their skin. They just want they want a normal skincare, body skincare routine that they can use that will still guarantee them, that will help them to maintain their flawless skin and still promote a radiant, beautiful skin. The weather is freaking hot and no light, and this is just natural light with my phone, just to tell you how beautiful my skin looks. So in our routine, we're going to include 5 products in our skincare routine. The first one is your body wash. The second is your body lotion. Then we have our scrub, we have our body oil, and we have our SPF. If you choose to buy this product I'm recommending, please bear in mind that you can use brightening body wash and brightening lotion at the same time. You have to alternate it. Either in your wash off routine, you're using brightening product and you're using hydrating lotion. The first body wash I'll be recommending in today's video, it is Nivea shower gel. This shower gel has white berry scent, and it is formulated with vitamin C. We know vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps to brightening, hydrate, and has anti-aging properties. And definitely this is what this body wash would do for you. It comes in 500 ml and it's sold for 3,500. The second body wash I'll be recommending in today's video, it is only hydrating and cleansing body wash. This body wash cleanses and nourishes your skin. It is formulated with 2 key ingredients: hyaluronic acid and vitamin B3. The hyaluronic acid helps to hydrate your skin and fight aging, wrinkled skin, while vitamin B3, which is popularly known as niacinamide, has anti-aging benefits which will help to brighten your skin, fight acne, wrinkles, and improve a radiant, revitalized, renewed skin. It also smooths the skin and give you that beautiful skin that you desire. It comes in 530 ml and it's sold for 16,500. But wait, if you are within the budget, a very beautiful substitute for this body wash has to be Dove moisturizing body wash. It will help to cleanse your skin, nourish your skin, and rejuvenate your skin. I know most people be like, oh, I've heard this ridiculous stuff. People say that Dove actually gets them dark. That is a lie from pit of hell. Why I love Dove, one of the ingredients that Dove has that made me to fall in love with this product, even though it's very, very affordable, is because of the zinc oxide. I'm not going to talk much about it, but zinc oxide, we know, is also used in physical sunscreen, which is mineral sunscreen. It has anti-aging benefits and it works well on dark spots. Dove brand, we know, is very good for hydrating product. The second stage, which is your body lotion. The body lotion that is affordable, I'll be recommending in today's video. It is Nivea Radiant Beauty Even Glow. Just as the name implies, it helps to even out your skin tone and also helps to glow up your skin. And within 2 weeks, no joke, guys, you will see the change in your skin tone. The powerful ingredients that makes this body lotion to stand out, even though it's very affordable, it is vitamin C. Yes, it contains 95% of vitamin C, and I told you vitamin C is an antioxidant, actually a very strong antioxidant that helps to brighten and fight aging skin. And this is definitely what this will give you. It is infused with vitamin C extract and turmeric, so this is a very good substitute for someone that cannot afford Medis 5.5. This is the best lotion that you can substitute with it. It will rhyme your skin, give you that beautiful glowing skin, smooth soft skin, and also work on your imperfection on your skin. And like I said, within 2 weeks you will see the results. It comes in 400 ml and it's sold between 3,500 to 3,900 naira. So the second lotion I'll be recommending in today's video is Abib Soft and Creamy Oil. This Abib, you guys, this lotion is very, very good. I've heard people say, oh, Abib is only for dark skin. I've used Abib and it did not darken my complexion. It just gave me that glowing, beautiful skin without, alternating my skin complexion. And this is definitely a must-have for someone that wants to maintain their skin complexion. It can be used by all skin type, especially for people that suffer from dry skin. I suffer from dry skin, and this lotion works very well for me. Its secret ingredients is shea butter and olive oil. We know shea butter and olive oil is known for its hydrating and nourishing benefits, and definitely this is what you're going to get when you constantly use this very lotion. It is sold for 10,000 naira to 12,000 naira, because this is the new one. I think back then it was sold, the old one they were selling between 6,500 to 8,000, but this is the very one I'm talking about now, that is also very, very good. Yeah, I approve this actually. So yeah, it comes in 354 ml. Then the third one is body scrub. We know that this body scrub, this is what most people omit in their skincare routine. They'll be doing all the buying of body wash, all the buying of oil, all the buying of lotion, forgetting that they don't involve body scrub. Yeah, I used to be like you when I didn't know the importance of exfoliants. When I started my skincare routine, I was hearing people say exfoliate. You don't need to exfoliate. If you're using a very good scrub, trust me, only do your self-care during the weekend. Scrub during the weekend once in a day, except if you have a hard skin. But if your skin is soft like mine, please don't scrub 3 times in a week. Once in a week is very good. And if you have a very sensitive skin, once in 10 days, which is 3 times in a month, is very good. And the most affordable body scrub that does it for me is Dr. Mina sugar scrub. If you're someone that has used 3 hot tea that is stupidly expensive, which is sold for 12,500 to 14,000, you have used Dr. Teals, which is sold around 13,500. Sis, if you like it, trust me, you're going to like this Dr. Mina sugar scrub. It comes in different variety, and my favorite is actually the one formulated with vitamin C. So if you're looking to enhance your skin, the varieties you'll be getting, either you are choosing from the vitamin C, the pearl, the mango, or the lychee. I guess that is it. But if you're someone that loves your skin, or that loves your skin you just don't want to alternate your skin complexion, you don't have any, you just want your skin looking hydrated, then the coconut, the coffee scrub, and the Moroccan, yes, is also going to suit your skin. It's going to smooth out your skin, even out your skin tone, and help to get rid of dead skin cell, clog pores that is preventing your lotion from working. And those guys is so affordable. It's so between 3,000 to 3,500, depending on where you are getting. And it comes in 510 ml. People are saying that it's actually wrong for you to apply your body oil before applying your body lotion. Sis, hear me right. This I'm saying is not based on hearsay or they say. It's based on what I have used and have actually worked for me. See, if I'm using a lightening body oil, I want to fix imperfection on my skin. That brings us to our third topic. Yes, but this is it actually. If I'm using a body oil, that I want this body oil to fix imperfection, like I have dark spots, patches on my skin. Guess what, guys? I am going to rub my lightening body oil before I rub my lotion, because this body oil will help to treat imperfection on my skin. But if I rub my lotion, then I rub my body oil, it's going to seal it up, lock in moisture. And this is what hydrating body oil does. If I'm using hydrating body oil, it's going to be the last step after applying my body lotion. But if I'm using my body oil for treatment, I'm going to use it before my body lotion. Then coming to body oil, we know body oil helps to even out your skin tone. That if you're using a lotion, a body oil that has brightening benefits. Then if you're using a body oil that is for hydrating, what it's going to do is to help to lock in moisture, kicking dryness. Yeah, then there are different body oil and different way to use it, so make sure when you buy a body oil, read the way the manufacturer asked you to use it. Then, because they know the best, they know the ingredients used in the formulation. I can't tell you, you can't buy a body oil, they will tell you, oh, use it before your body lotion, because Elo or whoever said you should use your body oil after. So always read what the manufacturer says. Yeah, so for body oil, like I said, Vitgo, they does it for me. When you're looking for body oil that can actually help to fight pigmentation on your skin, Vitgo is your guy. That is the one I've tried. I've tried their turmeric for dark spots, pigmentation, dark elbow, and everything, and it is amazing. I use it in my nighttime routine because no, it can actually make your skin sensitive. Anytime I put it, you notice that products that actually fight pigmentation, they always make our skin sensitive. So if you're going to use it during the daytime, make sure you wear protective clothing or you are not going anywhere. When it comes to hydrating, Vaseline Cocoa Radiant is my guy. My love for this brand, like they understand the complexion of women of color. Like they have us in mind when they started formulating any of their skincare products. And if you suffer from dry skin like me, or your the sole of your feet is always dry like I have dry skin, but yeah, as you can see, it's not as dry. You can have dry skin, but with regular skincare routine and having an effective skincare routine or building an effective skincare routine can actually change that. So this will be also very, very beneficial for you. It can be used fair skin, dark skin. You don't, it's not because they call it cocoa, you feel like, oh, cocoa is going to turn me to dark. No, trust me, if you are someone that is light skin, caramel skin, have used this and it gave you that glowing skin, like this is your one step to fast glowing skin. Cocoa Radiant one actually comes in 200 ml and is sold for 5,500 to 6,500 depending on where you're buying. Avino Oat Jojoba Oil, this oil is fantastic. Oats is very good for someone that has dry skin. Oats nourish the skin. When we talk about oats, talk about all the nourishment that you can get. Then the jojoba oil has anti-aging benefits that will help to refresh, renew, rejuvenate your skin. And this is what you're going to get. And this body oil is amazing to even out and at the same time hydrate your skin. It doesn't dry out your skin like other light brightening oil. This is my holy grail. Both actually, but yeah, I choose Avino anyways. Yes, so that is it. To soften, smoothen, and give you that glowing beautiful skin of course, that will have everyone complimenting your skin. Then the last step in your skincare routine, like I always tell you guys, but if you're new, I'm going to repeat it again. Sunscreen is the king of your skincare. You don't want to omit that in your skincare routine, and that is the last step in your skincare routine. And thank God now we have so many affordable body sunscreen that can actually guarantee you a beautiful result, down from the Dr. Rachel. And one of my favorites, or the one I outlined, I'm recommending in today's video, it is Nivea body sunscreen with SPF 50. This sunscreen is amazing to protect your skin without drying you out, and it doesn't leave any dent of white cast on your skin. The next one is Hatamok SPF 50, amazing, comes in 250 ml and is sold between 12,800 to 14,500, depending on where you are buying it. I love the active ingredients. It is formulated with hyaluronic acid. We know hyaluronic acid is known for its hydrating benefits, so oh my god, it is amazing. Because why I run away from sunscreen, we know it, some of these sunscreen will actually dry up your skin, but those I recommend, it is amazing. Any sunscreen you are getting, make sure it has UVA and UVB. Guys, we have come to the end of today's topic. Just know that, remember what I said, let me recap. So in your skincare routine, involve you wash, you moisturize, you oil, then you SPF, then you scrub your skin once a week. If you have hard skin, you can scrub 2 times in a week, and always wear your sunscreen. Remember what I said about incorporating lotion in your skincare routine. Why most times you feel like your skin is dry, your skin is not glowing, is because you tend to do too much. Yes, I said you tend to do too much. You know those people that are into skincare, they show you a clip of what they use. You see them in the night time, they have different range of skincare products. Like my husband, I'm like, I want to get skincare product, and I'm like, oh, but you have this, you have that. They don't understand. If you are making, I'm saying it again, if you're making use of brightening body wash to bathe at night, follow up with hydrating products. In fact, I always recommend during the daytime, if you're going to take this is how I do mine. I have pigmentation on my skin, I have somewhere I'm going to, I want that flawless skin. See what I'm going to do during the daytime. During the daytime, I use everything hydrating. At night time, I'm using brightening. Your nutrition truly and really matters. Don't joke with it. I know when I end this video, drink your water, eat your fruit and vegetable, you think it is all a joke. Sis, drink your water, eat your fruit and vegetable. And if you're someone that do not like fruits, I recommend taking supplements like vitamin C 1000 gram. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please share this video to someone, because in here we do not get information. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment down below. See you next time. Bye.